We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle our styling, allowing us to use utility classes for gradients, shadows, and spacing without writing custom CSS files. We set up a beautiful background using a gradient, BG gradient tool. For the layout, we use a CSS grid that splits into two columns on medium screens, MD grid calls 2, but stays as a single column on mobile devices. This is the control panel. We have a drop-down menu, Select, where we will list our books, and a button to trigger the Read Book function. We use Tailwind classes like Focus Ring to make the input look interactive when clicked. This card tracks the user's progress and debt. It displays the count of books read and the total cost. The Pay Now button allows the user to clear their debt using the Paybooks function. This is the display area. We use IDs like book title and book content so we can inject text here via JavaScript. It acts as a digital reader for the selected book. We define our database as a simple array of objects. Each object represents a book with an ID, title, T, price, P, and content, C. Here we manage the app state. We use the set data structure for read books and paid books. Sets are perfect here because they prevent duplicates automatically. You can't read the same book ID twice in the list. We loop through our book data and dynamically create option tags for the drop-down menu, so the HTML updates automatically if we add more books to the array. When the user clicks Read, we find the specific book object using its ID. We check if it's already in the paid books set. If not, we display its title and content in the right-hand column. This function marks the book as consumed. We add the ID to the Read Book set and call Update Summary. We also reset the reader view to prompt the user to pick another book. This calculates the bill. We loop through the Read Book set. If a book ID is not in the paid book set, we find its price and add it to the total. Finally, the payment logic. If confirmed, we move all IDs from Read Books into the paid book set, marking them as paid history, clear the current reading list, and reset the total to 0.